Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Windows Settings because that centralizes network controls. Press Windows plus I or Search Settings. Once done, go to Network and Internet, then click Advanced Network Settings. This view lists your active and disabled adapters, which matters because you need the exact name to change properties or troubleshoot. Make sure to note which adapter is in use, Wi-Fi versus Ethernet, so you don't modify the wrong one. You're now ready to select the adapter for further actions. Now select the adapter and click Properties so you can edit both software and hardware level settings. You'll see IP assignment, DNS, and proxy options. Use Edit to switch between DHCP and static IP because that determines how your device obtains addresses. Scroll down to find hardware details and driver links. Update or roll back drivers if needed. If you need advanced options, click More Network Adapter Options to open the legacy network connection. Finish by saving any changes and then toggle the adapter off and on so Windows reapplies settings. This often resolves transient issues. If connectivity still fails, run the built-in network troubleshooter to detect configuration or DNS problems automatically. Make sure to check Device Manager for driver errors and reinstall or update the driver when the adapter shows a warning. If all else fails, revert to the previous settings you noted earlier. That rollback prevents prolonged downtime and restores known working configuration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.